Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to get started with Squarespace, guys. So how can you register and everything, but you can check it out. For a limited time, guys, you have this amazing 20% discount offer that expires on July 27th, 2024. So first thing first, let's check that out, guys, right here. Offer terms, you can press on it and see. Enter the designated code at checkout by 11:59 p.m. EST on the expiration date to receive a discount off your purchase of a new subscription plan for applicable Squarespace products. A discount is only valid until 11:59 p.m. EST on the designated expiration date. Discount applies to the first payment of an annual or monthly subscription plan on applicable Squarespace product, but does not apply to future recurring payments. Discount may not be applied to previous purchases, subscription upgrades combined with any other offer, or applied after expiration date to purchases made before expiration of this offer. So as I said, guys, you have this 20% offer, 20% off your plan, guys. You have this amazing discount, expires July 27th right here. Code is right here, W7D20. You can check it out right here. So how to get started? Designs to sell. Get your free website trial today. Get started, pressing it, guys, right here. And what you need, no credit card is required right here. So let's see, for example, right here. What's your site about? This helps us guide your experience. You can check it out. It's the first place, guys. Just a second. 14-day free trial is here option for you. Skip next. You can check it out, guys. Photography, art, weddings, design, and so on and so on. Let's just say, for example, marketing. Why not? Next right here, what do you want to do with your website? Promote an event or project, get appointments, showcase work, collect donations. Right here, publish blog or other media, sell on-demand videos, sell memberships, sell invoices, online courses, sell products, services, and so on. You can check it out for yourself. It is based on you guys, on your preferences, on your own thing why you're making a Squarespace account. Sell online courses, publish a blog or other media. Let's just say this. I mean, okay, it really doesn't matter because it's just for the video purposes only. Right here, you can check it out. Designer templates, Blueprint AI, built with AI right here. Browse templates, you can check it out. So first thing first, designer templates, guys, choose from a curated set of professional design website templates, or you can just go to Blueprint AI, guys, build a custom website guided by Squarespace, Blueprint AI. So first thing first, let's go to browse templates. Right here we have for blog, you can check it out. Type make any template yours with ease. You can see down below best templates, matches, and everything right here, guys. It's really amazing. Online store, portfolio, membership, scheduling on one page, and so on. Topics right here, popular designs. You can check it out, guys, right here. Personal CV, professional services, and so on. Build your own template and let's see how it looks. You can see a template that's unique to you. Let's go. We can press on it and here we are. How to create your account. We can continue with Google right now, guys, with our mail. We can press on it, continue right here, and let's see what will pop up right now. So as I said, there is no credit card required, guys. It's super, it's free, 40 days free trial right now, and you have this amazing 20% discount, guys. What is your site called? So for example, Wave of Wealth. Thanks. Next, let's see, build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. Intro section, okay, product section, services section, and you can check it out straight away, guys. It pops up. It's really amazing. Appointment section right here, okay. About section, okay. Socials, that's something that we need, and maybe footer, guys, right now. Press on next. What we need here is who we are, about, add pages to your site. We recommend starting with these, but you can always add or remove pages later. About, contact, shop, services, let's see. All right, course, and so on. Next, let's just see right here. Choose a color. So what do you think, guys? This or this? Looks pretty professional. Neutral, bright, bold right here. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Okay, this one right here, maybe something like this. What do you think, guys? Write down in comment section. Would you like maybe monochromatic colors, neutral, bright, bold ones? I mean, to be fair, I really like the first one the most. I mean, it's super clean, but maybe just a bit of okay color. Next, right here, choose a font pairing, and this is totally up to you. So just press on this one right now. This maybe this or that. This is perfect. Okay, so gathering your pages, saving your colors and fonts just in a few minutes. Your template is ready. So let's see. Right with Squarespace AI, personalize your website text faster than ever by selecting continue. Agree. Okay, continue, guys, we know that. So let's see, describe your marketing site. What we need to do here, this description won't appear on our site, so it doesn't need to be perfect. So we just need to prompt, guys, and AI will do everything for us. So let's just say like this. Let's see what we'll get here. Example. Guys, this is perfect. It's like you have you can build a website, no coding knowledge needed and everything, but you can build a website, guys, right now, and actually you have ChatGPT installed it. I mean, you have this amazing AI module. So neutral, choose writing style, playful, friendly. You can even switch it right here. Playful. Let's just see playful right now. We're waiting. This is interesting. This is super interesting, guys. Perfect. Finish. Just waiting right now for it to download. But as I said, it's incredible easy. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, you did not need any coding knowledge, something like that, guys. But you can get started with, oh my god. Basically, I don't know how long is this video. 7 minutes. So in 7 minutes, you get your own website. I mean, I can't believe in this. This is incredible. When you press on pages again, you can adjust them by your own wish, guys, and everything. But it's incredible. I mean, it's literally incredible. Let's see on the phone how it looks like. Yeah, this is. I'm speechless. I'm speechless right now, guys. How easy it is. So, I mean, please check it out for yourself. It's really, really unique and really interesting. So check it out. Subscribe for more videos about Squarespace, guys. We're gonna make a ton of them because it's really useful platform. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.